Question number 25. Which graph shows the variation of the gravitational potential V with distance d from the surface of the Earth? Gravitational potential V is now related as V is proportional to 1 by r square when we cross the Earth's surface, right, at greater altitudes. So therefore, now it cannot be a straight line at any cost. It should be a, so now what you see is here is that when r increases, V should decrease. This pattern you should observe. Now let us look at one by one here. Now let us look at this here. Now what's happening in this case? When r is increasing, V is decreasing. This could be the right option. When r is increasing, V is decreasing. This could also be the right option. When r is increasing, V, what's happening to V? V is increasing. This is incorrect. For the same reason, this is also incorrect. Now we need to tussle upon between these two. Now how do we look at which is right over here? And as I told you, V is proportional to 1 by r square. Look at the graph carefully here. See, this line appears to be a straight line here. Then there is a curved path. Again, this line appears to be a straight line. And this is the case, this variation cannot be seen. Okay, there should be a continuous variation. The difference between these two here is that you see here, everywhere there is a continuous variation. So therefore, we can say